Well, as we all know, winter is nearly here. I guess it's kind of been bouncing around a little bit. We had a little bit of winter weather last week. And as I've made clear before, getting our community safely through the upcoming winter months is a top priority for my administration. And we are activating to make sure that we have plans in place, consistent plan in place to get that done. My staff and my cabinet have prioritized this, and we have been working very closely together to improve and formalize our protocols related to winter preparations, and winter response. As a result, today I am issuing Executive Order number 93, creating a winter weather unified command and departmental response activation set of protocols, including a code blue focus on expanding winter shelter operations. We have so many members of our community that are living in compromised dwellings, from within their homes, tents within their homes, on their property. The number of folks experiencing extreme weather in unusual circumstances is just enormous. And so we are ensuring through this set of protocols that we have activation metrics in place that we can reliably communicate to our community what they can expect to see from their city government, and to our partners, to activate our partners to take action in accordance with a unified structure. This unified command will be coordinated through SEMA and include the Department of Health, our Department of Human Services, our Street Department, the Fire Department, Department of Parks and Recreation and Forestry, and other city departments and agencies, and of course we'll be notifying our community partners as well. The unified command will be activated when winter weather conditions reach or are forecasted to reach by the National Weather Service to reach specific and specified threshold conditions specified by the executive order. It will coordinate and consolidate operational leadership and ensure unified awareness while preserving departmental autonomy, and provide the mayor and my team and the director of Department of Public Safety with a single coherent operational picture. I've got a lot of papers here this morning. We've also, as I mentioned, Executive Order number 93 has a Code Blue protocol with the purpose of activating a plan to provide temporary shelter and related services to the unhoused residents during extreme cold by directing our city departments, agencies, and divisions to coordinate with St. Louis City Continuum of Care, our partners, our external partners, community organizations, and other partners to open warming shelters, expand shelter capacity, and increase outreach efforts. Executive Order number 93 also formally establishes 4 departmental response activation protocols for the City of St. Louis. Number 1, the Department of Human Services. This is the plan to activate our shelter, temporary shelter space, and related services during extreme cold. We've also got our Streets Department. We will be activating a winter snow plan activation. This will activate a plan to manage snowfall, including but not limited to protocols for pre-treating roads and road clearance. Our Department of Health, our partners there, will activate an extreme temperature response plan activation, which will include public health messaging and operational response to extreme cold temperatures. And then of course, our Department of Parks, Recreation, and Forestry, the snow call activation will activate a plan for snow clearing of sidewalks and driveways for critical city buildings and other non-city owned buildings as deemed essential for health and well-being of our community. I want to note that the Code Blue declaration will be made by SEMA in coordination and consultation with the mayor's office when following circumstances are likely to be present. Number 1, nights of each year, when the temperature drops to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or below and is accompanied by added forms of precipitation. Or number 2, when the National Weather Service forecasts wind chills are at or below 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are the 2 main triggers that are going to be activating these protocols that we are putting in place with this executive order. The core services will be activated. We'll expand our the services that we offered on November 9th and 11th. This was a bit of a precursor and allowed us to kind of do a dry run of what we are formalizing here through this executive order. So, as you know, during that time, earlier this month, we were able to expand and activate shelter space with beds of about 160. We are working to expand that greatly, and we are in the process of outlining where those shelters will be. So one other thing I want to mention here is that the executive order also specifies that SEMA will be conducting at least one winter preparation exercise before November 19th each year. This is an important way to really make sure that our departments are in sync with one another. We earlier this week conducted a tabletop exercise with all of our city departments. This was done in partnership with our newly announced, soon to be formally SEMA Director Greg Favor, who helped us really outline all this and lead that effort. These tabletop exercises, where we bring in all of our city departments, are critical to ensuring that we're really exercising the muscles required to put these plans into place. So I want to thank the members of my staff and the departments and agencies, as well as our incoming SEMA Director, Greg Favor, but also our community partners who really helped inform this executive order that we're going to be issuing here today.
Okay, executive order number 93.